Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're making another card that has no stamping. We're going to be using the ephemera packs again. This is the Something for Everything ephemera pack, and we're going to be using this cute little bird here. Then we have the Fully Flowering ephemera pack and the Saying Something ephemera pack, where we're going to get our sentiment from. And we're also going to be using the Stylish Shapes dies, okay? Before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We're going to start with the paper pumpkin kit for September. It's the Autumn Abundance. You have until September 10th to subscribe to get this particular kit. It has Occasion Craze stamping spot, and it's going to make 9 cards. You also have the opportunity to purchase the Every Celebration Dies add-on for $12 while supplies last. That item number is 164991. It is a set of 3 dies that coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits, but you can use them beyond the kits. There's a link in the description box for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next, we have our Designer Series paper sale. During the month of August, Stampin' Up has 14 of their Designer Series paper in the annual catalog on sale for 15% off. Also in the month of August is the Bonus Days Redeem promotion. So if you earned any Bonus Days coupons last month, now is the time to redeem them. So when you're placing your orders, do not forget to redeem your coupons. Lastly, we have our host code for the month. This is the host code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code, because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, okay? So that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's start on our project. We're going to start by getting our little bird from our ephemera pack. This here. I've gone ahead and added dimensionals on the back, but we're going to color it before we do anything. So I have the pecan pie. This is light pecan pie Stampin' Blend. And I'm just going to add a little of this pecan pie on here, on the bird, on his body and his wings. Just a little. Just to let him know. We see you. We see you. Okay. And I think I wanted to use, where's the pecan pie? This is dark. I wanted to use a little bit of the ivory, just to help blend that a little bit, so it won't be stark on this white like that. But I don't want the body to be colored. I just want the wings. Okay. Maybe let's do the beak. Just like that. And that's it for the coloring. All right. So now let's go ahead and get our card base. This is a card base of soft seafoam that is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We're going to put the inside of our card, which is Flirty Flamingo, that is 5 by 3 3/4. Then we have Basic White here, that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. I'm just gonna put those two together like that. We're gonna get this put on the inside of our card so we can start to build up our front. Let's go ahead and get that glued in. I haven't used Flirty Flamingo in a while. Okay, so then we have some basic black here. This basic black is 5 by 3 3/4. And we're just gonna add this to the front of our card base. Right in the middle there. Like that. And I have another piece of basic black. This is 1.5 by 11/16. And we're going to be layering our sentiment from the Saying Something ephemera pack onto that. So let's go ahead and do that now. Go to the end there. It says, hello. We're just going to put this on in the middle. Okay. Then I have, in the two largest square stylish shapes, I have Soft Seafoam and Flirty Flamingo. And we're going to just layer those two together. These cards are quick and easy once you figure out all the pieces that you want to use from the ephemera packs. I love creating with the ephemera packs. If you don't really feel like stamping, but you want to create, you don't have to get out any ink. You just need paper and a couple of dies if that's what you choose to do. So now we're going to glue this at the top of our card here. Come on, glue. Just need you for a little bit more. Make sure I have the card going the right way. And we're going to try to get an even border at the top and bottom of that these squares around the black. Get that border, try to be even there. We're going to take our hello and glue this down. I think it's going to go right here, just like this. I hope so. So then I have another piece of ephemera here. It's a lovely little flower. I've gone ahead and put Stampin' Dimensionals on the back, and we're going to put, what is that? Oh, that's a backing. We're going to put that about right here like this and have that down. Then we're going to take our bird. Let's remove the backings from the dimensionals on this one. We're going to put our bird about right here, coming down to our flowers. And then I have another piece of the saying something, and this says friend. And I want to just glue this on. Put a little bit of glue. And we're just going to put that down here like so. Yes, and I know it's going to be lifted up right there on the flower, but it's going to be okay. So then for our bling, I have chosen the, what is this called? Rainbow Adhesive Back Dots, because I wanted the Flirty Flamingo. But now, yeah, I'm going to use Flirty Flamingo. I am going to put 2 down here. And I think I'll put, do I want to, no, I'll do a small one. I'll do one right about here, just like that. And that is our card done. What do you think? Isn't that cute? Yeah, I like it. The inside is plain. But that is our card. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.